Question 13, page 211. Complete silence now. A and B are the partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:1. That is the old ratio, 4/5 and 1/5. Balance sheet of the firm on 31/3/17 was as under. Now, very first from the balance sheet, Mayank, how will we start? What things will we write? Yes, other silence. Very first will record land building. That is what you answer. Ma'am, how you are doing the homeworks? Copying it. Will link up at your place where you have copied the homeworks. If you have replied what to me right now, that clearly shows you are copying the homeworks. Have you done today's homework?
I was absent yesterday.
Day before yesterday you were present? How many days you are absent?
2 days.
Why?
Not feeling good.
What happened?
Nothing.
Write it 100 times. That is start with capital and cash balances. What do you write 100 times? We start with capital and cash balances. You can see. So now, yes, be attentive. Here we will start with three things: capital, current and cash. Put tick on capital accounts, current accounts, cash and bank account. Capital and current accounts are on liability side, so it will have credit balance. But on credit side of capital account, by balance brought down. No one should be talking in between. A column 75,000, B column 25,000. Also current accounts 8,000 and 2,000. So partners current account credit side, by balance brought down. A's column 8,000 and B's column 2,000. And cash and bank account 3,000, put tick on that. That will have debit balance. Assets will all have debit balance. To balance brought down 3,000. Are you all clear up till here? Then, Jingle, after that. What amount? Where will we write?
Partners capital account credit side by workman accident compensation fund 5,000.
In whose column?
So 4,000.
4,000 in? Stand up. Adele.
To be reduced from the compensation and partners and old ratio.
4:1. Correct. So now, always we have discussed workman's compensation means see the adjustment first. Or if you see adjustment 5, what is the workman's compensation claim? So that 1,000 we will minus. Against fund write down minus 1,000 on the liability side. What shall we distribute between the partners? 4,000 in old ratio. That is 100 times. That workman's compensation after deducting claim will be distributed in old ratio. Got the statement? Workers' compensation after deducting claim will be distributed in old ratio. So now, so 5,000 did you all write minus 1,000? Now here don't write it in capital account, it will come in current account. In this question, capital account we are just making because new partner is going to bring the capital. That's it. All other adjustments will be done in partner's current account. So partner's current account credit side by workmen compensation fund. After deducting that claim 1,000, 5,000 minus 1,000, 4,000. Will distribute in old ratio. 4,000 into 4 by 5, 3,200. And 4,000 into 1 by 5, 800. Did all of you understand this?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
The journal entry is workmen's.
Compensation.
Just 1 minute, Pooja.
Workmen compensation fund 5,000.
Workmen compensation fund account debit 5,000.
To claim 1,000.
To workers claim 1,000 rupees.
To A's current account.
To A's current account 3,200. To B's current account 800. This I gave you in objective illustrations in homework and also exercise. Okay. In case if journal entry is asked, we would be writing this journal entry. But otherwise in exams, this working is not compulsory. All okay with this? Further on liabilities side, we will show workers claim of 1,000. Are you all okay with this? Did you all take on workmen's compensation fund? Now, Sumana, what else from the balance sheet will go in partners? Yes, lot of noises coming here. Keep silence. Don't talk in between. Sumana, what else from the balance sheet will go in partners? Goodwill. Where? Which side? Credit side. Scanner. Yuvraj. What else from the balance sheet? Dhruv? Cash and bank what? Yes, others silence. Stand up and answer. Where will it come?
Current account every side. Current account every side. Old ratio.
4:1 ratio. So now both of you write this 100 times. That goodwill given in balance sheet is distributed between the partners in old ratio. So many questions it is done so far. What is the shortcut I simply told you from balance sheet? Write it down. Opposite side. Right side of balance sheet. So partners current account will write on left side. To goodwill account. And you'll distribute it in old ratio. So 5,000 into 4 by 5, 4,000. And 5,000 into 1 by 5, 1,000. Did you all understand this? The journal entry is old partners capital account debit in old ratio to goodwill account. Anything else from the balance sheet which will go in partners? No. They admitted C as a new partner on the above date on the following conditions. they decided to keep their new profit sharing ratio as 3:1:1. So if sacrifice ratio is required, Swara, how would we find it?
By old ratio minus sacrifice.
Sacrifice ratio, you'll find old ratio minus sacrifice
Old
ratio.
ratio minus new.
Old ratio minus new ratio. Now, C will bring rupees 20,000 as capital for his 1/5 share of profit and rupees 5,000 as his share of goodwill in cash. So, Khushbu, what will be the entry for this?
Partners current account by
Journal entry. Stand up. Ishan.
Cash account debit, credit account to goodwill account 5,000. To partners current account
Two. Partners current account what amount?
C's partner.
It will come capital only, not current. Capital is bringing will go in capital only. And goodwill will not write goodwill. What do we write? Yes, let him answer. Read this entry 100 times. So many questions we are doing this. Still not able to answer it. First of all, tell me, will C bring 5,000 into 1/5, 1,000 or 5,000 directly? 5,000 directly. 5,000 is already his share. If it was given in the adjustment that the value of goodwill is 5,000, then we would find his share. 5,000 into 1/5, 1,000. But here what is the language? He brings 5,000 as, after 5,000 what is given? As his share of goodwill. Means 5,000 already his share. Don't do again 5,000 into 1/5. Total goodwill would have been 25,000. And he is bringing 1/5 of that, that is 5,000. Got it everyone? So cash account debit side to C's capital account 20,000 to premium for goodwill account 5,000. Understood this everyone? Megawatt other effect we still have to give. What we read in partners capital account? Two C's capital. Stand up. There you.
by premium for goodwill account, partners current account credits.
What about capital of 20,000? The other effect of capital of 20,000. Roshan,
Partners current account will use by we will write 20,000 in C's column.
what will you write by?
By new partners.
Stand up. Yes, who's taking in between? Khushi?
will write by cash.
Yes, will come in capital account only, not in current account. Capital he is bringing will come, that's why we are making this capital account. Only because new partner is bringing the capital. 2 C's capital will come in C's capital on credit side by cash account in C's column 20,000. 3 of you read this 100 times. That capital brought will come in partner's capital account credit side. Capital brought will come in partner's capital account on credit side. Now, premium for goodwill. Yes, P. What is the second entry? For premium for goodwill.
Partners current account
Entry. In which ratio?
Old ratio.
Write it 100 times in sacrifice ratio. What is the second entry for goodwill? Premium for goodwill account debit to old partners capital account in sacrifice ratio. First we have to find the sacrifice ratio. A, B and C. Old ratio is 4:1, 4/5, 1/5. C is admitted. New ratio is 3:1:1, 3/5, 1/5, 1/5. Now sacrifice ratio we find old ratio minus new ratio. So but how will we do it for A?
4/5 minus 3/5.
Further,
1/5 minus 1.
next step.
LCM will be 25.
LCM will be 5 itself. 5 is common.
5 and 4 minus 3. 1 minus 4.
So 1/5 and 0. It means B does not sacrifice. C is old ratio, new ratio is same. He does not sacrifice. Only A sacrifices 1/5 and gives it to C. A sacrifices 1/5, entire goes to C. Are you all clear with this? So entire sacrifice is of whom? So entire premium for goodwill will go to whom? A only. Entire sacrifices of A. So entire premium for goodwill will go only to A. Are you all clear with this? Partners current account credit side by premium for goodwill account entire 5,000 in A's column. Understood this, everyone?
So
Yes.
why entire 5,000 is covered?
Because who is sacrificing only A? You distribute in sacrifice ratio. What is the sacrifice ratio? 1:0. Remove the denominator. So what is 1:0? 1/1, 0/1. Okay, don't take 1/5. That is the sacrifice share. That is the sacrifice share. Remove the denominators. What is the sacrifice share ratio? 1:0. Did everyone understand this? Anyone having any doubt in it? Next. Out of goodwill, half amount is to be withdrawn by the old partners. Ritu? Who is speaking in between? What will you do with this, Ritu? Half amount is withdrawn by old partners. Where will we write? What will we write? With the 3?
Sir, in partners capital account debit side. So 2,005. 2,500.
2,500. In whose columns? A and B. And what will you write to?
Credit.
Cash account. Sir? Darshan?
Partners current account debit side
Related to premium for goodwill. To cash account. So now, have you done the homework illustration 24? Both of you? Copy. Yes. Otherwise, you must be able to answer this. 2 questions we did yesterday of similar kind in the class. Third one was given in homework. Still you are not able to answer it to me. If they withdraw, what will be the entry? Yesterday 2 questions were done, 60%, 50% amount withdrawn. And then one illustration was also given in homework. Illustration 24, you go to 24 times if you want to copy it. You wait after the class, both of you. I'll ring up at your place and inform that you have copied the illustration. Why you are not able to answer it otherwise? Was it there in illustration 24 similar point? In the homework? Goodwill withdrawn by the partners or others have also copied it. And 2 questions yesterday what we did in the class that also at the same point. Write this entry 100 times, both of you. Partners capital account debit means here current account debit side you write to cash account. 5,000 this arrow also I did yesterday. 50% will be drawn, so 2,500. In bracket goodwill. 50% amount will be withdrawn by the partners. Sit down, both of you. See question 11. Did we do the same point yesterday or not? 60% amount of goodwill is withdrawn by our partners. Even question 20, no 10. Fourth adjustment was there. Withdrew 50% of amount in cash. Yes, what is going on? Illustration 24 also the third adjustment is Kana and Kanisha will withdraw 50% of their share of goodwill. How are you people doing the homework? Copying it? In spite of doing it in homework, you people are not able to answer this. Next. The value of land and building is to be increased by 10%. Vrunda? Tell me 2 effects of land and building first. Liability side will show land and building. Second effect of that, why are you going to furniture? Land and buildings, second effect. Which side will you show in revaluation? Debit side, I did 100 times with journal entry defects. Basic adjustments also after so many questions are over, you are still not clear with revaluation effects. Value of land and building is increasing by 10% means it's a profit. So land and building account debit to revaluation account. To revaluation means revaluation account will show it on credit side. Buy land and building 35,000 10% 3,500. By debit side will show it's a loss or profit. And put tick on land and building everyone. Land and building 35,000 plus appreciation 3,500, so 38,500. Is everyone clear with this? Next, while value of furniture and stock is to be decreased by 5%. Aryan?
Furniture 50,000 minus 300. Stock 15,000 minus depreciation side of balance sheet and revaluation on debit side.
Yes, 750 only is the stocks decrease, not 7250. So now, yes, be attended. Furniture and stock is to be decreased means it's a loss. So revaluation account debit to furniture to stock. Revaluation account debit side to furniture account 30,000, 5% the loss is 1500, and to stock account 15,000, 5% the loss is 750, and to furniture and stock means minus from furniture and minus from stock. It's a debit balance but we credit it. So furniture 30,000 minus depreciation 5%, 1500, 28,500, and stock 15,000 minus decrease 15,000 5%, 750, so 14,250. Other way around, it's a loss, so revaluation debit side and value of furniture and stock has decreased, so minus from furniture and stock. Market value of investment is 35,000, which is to be shown in the books. Amruta. What amount? Effects.
Liability side and credit side.
Liability side.
Assets.
What will you do on the asset side?
Investment. Investment 25,000. Investment 25,000 plus increases 10,000.
So, entry will be investment to revaluation, not revaluation to investment. It's a profit, so revaluation will credit. 25,000 is investment, now 35,000, so it's a profit of 10,000. Investment account debit to revaluation. To revaluation means revaluation on credit side. By investment 10,000. And investment account is a debit balance and we debit it again, so add in investments, put tick on investments. Investments 25,000 plus appreciation 10,000, so outer column 35,000. Other way around, it's a profit, so in revaluation it will come on credit side and value of investment is increasing, so add in investments. Next, provision for doubtful debts is to be made at 10% on debtors. Dhruv Thakur.
Asset side.
Don't talk in between. All of you.
5,500
All of you write down asset side debtors 5,500
plus, minus, increase 10% 550.
minus bad debt reserve 5,500 10% 550, so 4,950
2 BDR 15.
in revaluation account debits. So now, how much BDR is already there in the asset side? And we need 550, so we have to provide only additional amount of 50. So revaluation account debit side to bad debts reserve only with the difference amount of 50 rupees. Did anyone understand this? Then fifth is already done. Dishonor expenses of bills receivable 150 and bank charges 300, which are paid but not recorded in the books. Raise your hand. What will you pass the entry for this? Not very important, it's a different one, not difficult actually, very simple. Shivang,
Sorry, sir. Separate entry. Sir, for bills receivable account debit to cash account, and for bank charges account debit to cash account.
wrong. Anyone else? Ravlani?
plus in 150 and bill receiver mean minus 150 and bank charges credits
Thus,
Devaluation account debit to bank account 300 and devaluation account debit bank and cash account 150.
simply revaluation to bank. We have not forgotten to record the dishonor of bills. We have forgotten to record the expenses of dishonor. If bills get dishonored, does the bank charge you for that or not? So that expenses bank has charged 150. Read it carefully. Dishonor. After dishonor, expense of bills receivable 150 and bank charges 300, which are paid but not recorded in the books. Are both of them expenses for us or not? So revaluation account debit all expenses and losses and both of them are paid. What is going on over there? Both of them are paid, so to bank account, that's it. Both are expenses, so revaluation account debit and both bank will directly take the money from our account, so to bank account. Bills dishonor is recorded. What is not recorded? Dishonor expenses of bills dishonor. Okay, bills dishonors expenses are forgotten to be recorded. So being expenses, revaluation account debit side, to bank account directly with the total amount 300 plus 150, 450. And bank account credit side, we forgot this entry. Withdrawn of goodwill cash will also come credit side by A's current account 2500 and by revaluation account 450. Are you all clear with this? A's current account debit to cash 2500, cash also it will come on credit side by A's current account 2500. And this dishonor expenses, the entry will be simply revaluation account debit to bank account. All adjustments are done. Are you all clear with this? Loving after that? Untagged items. Liabilities side, creditors and bills payable 4000 and 1000. Who is talking in between? Maintain silence. Asset side, what is untagged? Only bills receivable 2000. Now balancing. Now revaluations, balance. Yes, they will stand up. Revaluations balance will go to capital account or current account. Continuously you are talking in between both of you. Don't tell anything. So now, will revaluations balance go to capital account or current account? Current account. So 13,500. 13,500 minus
10,750.
there is a balance.
Yes.
Two partners current account in bracket profit. Old ratio. So 10750 into 4 by 5
8600.
and 2150.
Yes.
10750 into 4 by 5, 10750 into 1 by 5. Opposite side in current account by revaluation account 8600 and 2150. If current account is there in the balance sheet, all adjustments will be done in current account. Capital account we are just making to record new partners capital, that's it. Are you all clear with this? Capital's closing balance liability side, Current also, credit side is more. So current accounts closing balance also liabilities side. Cash and bank balance asset side, and balance sheet must tally. So 75,000, 25,000, 20,000. Same is the closing balance. Liabilities side capitals. A 75,000, B 25,000, C 20,000. So 1,20,000. Current account 24,800. 4950. C doesn't have any amount. 24,800 minus 6,500 is 18,300 and 3,950. Two balance carried down. Credit balance on liability side you write current account A 18,300, B 3,950, 2,250. Cash and bank 28,000. Minus 2,950, so 2,5050. Buy balance carried down. Asset side cash and bank 2,5050. 148,250. Did you all understand this portion, everyone? Exercise question 12 is your homework, the workings of which I am discussing right now. You make the workings in the classwork and repeat it in the homework. Okay? The whole question you repeat in the homework with the workings. Question 12 of exercise is your homework. Mainly goodwill's part I am discussing right now. And that workings you do it right now and you repeat it in the homework notebook also when you solve it. See question 12. P and Q are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Balance sheet of firm on 31/3/16 was as under. From the balance sheet, what will you distribute between the partners? Only goodwill. Will you distribute provident fund? No. Only goodwill. So partners, here there is no current account. So partners capital account on debit side. On the above date R, they admitted R as a new partner on the following terms. First one is simple, R will bring 60,000 as capital in cash, so cash to R's capital. Now goodwill is valued at 30,000 and third adjustment in line, R cannot bring his share of goodwill in cash. So what will we do? We take from his capital. For that the journal entry is new partner R's capital account debit to old partner P and Q's capital account in sacrifice ratio. Can you see last adjustment new ratio is given? So first sacrifice ratio we will have to find. First working, old ratio of P and Q is 3:2. 3/5, 2/5. New ratio in the last adjustment is 5:2:3, 5/10, 2/10, 3/10. Sacrifice ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. 3/5 minus 5/10, 2/5 minus 2/10, old minus new. LCM is 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 into 3 is 6 minus 5. 10 divided by 5, 2 into 2, 4 minus 2. 1/10, 2/10, 1:2. That is the sacrifice ratio. Now, as we discussed, if new partner cannot bring goodwill in cash, will take the money from his capital. So, R's capital account debit to T's capital account and to Q's capital account. This entry we have done earlier also. Earlier it was part amount he brought in cash and part he could not bring, so that we took from his capital. Now, first of all, what is R's share in goodwill that he has to bring and he did not bring? 30?
9,000.
30,000 into 3/10. 30,000 is the total goodwill of the business. So from his capital we will take 30,000 into 3/10, that is 9,000. And this 9,000 will distribute in which ratio? Sacrifice ratio, 1:2. So 9,000 into 1/3,
3,000.
9,000 into 2/3, 3,000 and 6,000. As such, at the end, if you see, journal entries are asked for goodwill. So this you do it in proper format of journal. Okay? We have done earlier, posting is also important. How will you do the posting for this? Partners capital account debit side, amount will be written in R's column. To P's capital, R's column 3,000. To Q's capital, R's column 6,000. Credit side you write by R's capital. In P's column 3,000, Q's column 6,000. Both the places in bracket you mention goodwill. Rest adjustments. Fifth one is good that I'll discuss. Bad debt reserve is to be provided at 5% on debtors. What are debtors in inner column? Do 22,000 into 5%. Now listen carefully. Yes. Who is speaking in between? 22,000's 5% is 1,100. How much BDR is already subtracted from debtors? 2,000. Means it's already more. So now we need extra provision or we need to withdraw? Withdraw. First of all, here 22,000 minus 5%, 1,100 you'll minus. But since in balance sheet his amount is already more, instead of writing BDR and devaluation on debit side, you'll write it on credit side. By bad debt reserve. What is 2,000 and 1,100's difference? The journal entry would also be reversely passed. Instead of revaluation account debit to bad debt reserve, the journal entry would be bad debt reserve account debit to revaluation. You'll withdraw 900. That is already okay. So 12th will be your homework. Bye everyone.